Q got the sauce, nigga.
You gon' keep it real with me or not? Cause you in the wrong, swearing you right. You gon' keep it real with me or not? What's done in the dark, come to the light. You gon' keep it real with me or not? I don't wanna fight, let's make it right.
Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my friend's hair. As you can see, she is a crybaby that doesn't sit still. Very, very rough to work with. But yeah, I'm going to be doing her hair. Like, subscribe, and comment because I'm finna be on here for real. This time, for real. Like, subscribe, comment, share the video. Get me up there. Alright, so I ain't sure. Well, I know I'm not gonna do no voiceover this entire video because I gotta do a voiceover for the other video as well. Because I did both of my hair this day, but I'm gonna work with what I got. So right now she got dreads too. But right now, I'm molding her hair back to put the cap on. I got these little foot things that I stole out of the shoe store. I stole them before everybody else on TikTok stole them. So, anyways, yeah, I'm trying to get this cap on. She's so extra. She's trying to help me. Yeah. Alright, so I got the cap glued down. I'm finna get ready to cut it. I don't see how people be like, these stocking caps the best. I don't know if these just too little or what, but they're real thin and stuff. But I don't know. I prefer regular stocking caps, ball caps. But yeah, I'm finna go and cut this cap off. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so the cap is laid down. I'm getting ready to put the glue on. I use don't let me lie to you, I believe it's Boho from the hair store. And when I tell you this glue will not stick for nothing, like, I don't know. I usually only put like 3 layers of glue on my wigs, truth be told, because I don't keep them on long. I put 3 layers of glue and it be sticky enough. I use Ghost Bond. I kept seeing people on TikTok talk about Boho. Boho this, Boho that. Kept seeing people use Boho. So I was like, I'm going to try Boho. I went to their hair store and bought some Boho. And it's peeling like glue. It wasn't it. Now, everyone's on TikTok talking about Ghost Bond. But that's what I went back to using. Ghost Bond is fine for me. But I'm going to try the Erica J, what's it called? Lace glue, because that is what I see a lot of people using now. Erica J with the watermelon. Don't let me be confusing folks' brands, but I believe that's it. But yeah, right now, you see I'm letting the glue dry. I done did layers after layers. I put the wig on, and when I put the wig on, it was lifting on one side. Like, you'll see it. And another thing, I look real, real crunchy in this video. Like, real, real crunchy. Look like I don't love myself. Watch the next video. It's going to be in the cards. It's going to be in the link. It's going to be in the description. Like, it's going to be there. Watch the next video of me installing my wig after hers. like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all see, I'm trying to lay the wig down. Usually this is the part of the wig install where, you lay the wig down, it's tight, you put your melting band on. No, this glue done lifted. Do you see, like, I just laid the wig down on both sides. The other side is up, but I just went to this side because I didn't notice the other side. I done went to this side, gluing it back down so I could lay the wig back down. And the other side is up. The middle is up. The whole thing is up. So I put more glue, then used the what's that spray? Got to be spray. I prefer the Ebon spray as well. Lots of people, I don't know what y'all use. I use Ebon, the black one, but I didn't have any more, so I used Got to Be. And I'm not one of those people, like, I be seeing y'all on TikTok be like, don't use this because it's water. Don't use this because it does this, it does that. I'm gonna use whatever. Whatever works for me. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna use whatever works for me. And Got to Be is what I had, so Got to Be is what I use. But me personally, I do know that Ebon holds more. Just me. I believe Ebon is stronger than Got to Be. For the simple fact, I use it. I'm gonna add the music and let this do what it do. But this next part, I gotta talk for this because she showed out. She already making funny faces because she know that hot comb is coming. I told you. She like short. Look at her face. Extra. But she did this the entire time I tried to hot comb her. I did burn her only forehead. But that was because she trying to be asleep in my chair. Then she want to keep jumping. Like, she would sleep every 3 seconds. Here she goes, sleep again. Wouldn't hold her head up. But, yeah, this me. What am I doing? I see what I'm doing. I'm cutting that lace. And you see, it's scalp. She grew it. Her mama gave it to her. She came out with it. Natural color and all. But yep, I'm cutting my lace. She trying to play sleep in my chair again. Head keep moving. I actually ripped the frontal right here because I kept trying to. I ripped it when I was trying to lay the wig down because the glue kept coming undone and I snatched it real hard. And it came undone. But I done cut the lace. This is me putting the Got to Be going around the perimeter. And I don't like how that looks. So I'm going to pluck it some more because it looks very, very... I don't know. I had plucked this wig and styled it and stuff before I put it on. But it still looks all... It looked too thick and fake right here. I think I was plucking too hard because she kept moving. And I tried to stop plucking so hard because I didn't want to hurt her. She's already traumatized. But this me parting out her baby hairs. And I'm finna stop talking. Just watch the video, bro. Y'all know. Alright, we coming to an end. I done did her baby hairs. I'm hot combing it, just finalizing everything else. Did you know baby hair look definitely would have gave. But only thing I see that I didn't like was the front. Like I didn't like how the hairline, goes straight across. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments. Please, please, please stay tuned for more videos because like I said, the next video I will be putting on my wig, and that video will be linked in this video in the description box. And yeah, but yeah, this is me finalizing everything on the hair, making it look good. She loved it. I loved it. I'm actually going to be doing a video of me. That's why I burned her. I'm actually going to be doing a video of me reinstalling this wig on her because she sleeps wild and can't keep a wig on. I don't know how. I don't know why. But we're going to be doing a video of me reinstalling the wig. Hopefully she sleeps. Hopefully she stay woke. Don't go to sleep this time where she get put on my chair. But yeah, thanks for watching.
You got the sauce, nigga. You gon' keep it real with me or not? Cause you in the wrong, swearing you right. You gon' keep it real with me or not? What's done in the dark, come to the light. You gon' keep it real with me or not? I don't wanna